Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will discuss what is this Python function which is newly introduced within Excel. How can we use Python in Excel and what does it mean by using Python in Excel? So stay tuned and watch till the end. First thing first, this option is available within the formulas tab and you can see the insert Python option here. So this is not something you add in. This is already built in and newly introduced. And Python is used to develop apps and websites. However, in Excel, we are not going to develop apps and websites, and we're not going to write long codes. But Python is used to strengthen the Excel functionality. Let's understand with the example. In this example, I have a different dates in different format in this column, and if you want to organize the date in one uniform date format, if I want to organize the date into one uniform date format, so I will use Python is equal to py, press tab, and now first write pd dot to date and time, press tab, and now start of bracket, click on this cell, close of bracket, press enter. I press enter but didn't work because it's saying control plus enter to commit Python code. So I will backspace and press control enter. Now it will work. It will write the code. So it organized the date into this format. And if it apply this format for rest of the cells by just dragging from the bottom of the cell, and it will apply this code to rest of the dates and organize the dates in this column in uniform format. So this is how it can strengthen the Excel functionality. So this was very simple example to understand the Python. However, Python is used in the very complex situation as well to strengthen the Excel function, and it can also be used in conjunction with the Copilot as well. I might make more videos in future related to the Python utilization, so check out my channel and hit the like button if this video is helpful, and I'll see you guys in next video.